In a world where thoughts danced like fireflies, a hiccup was a sudden spark. Why do we hiccup? Asked a curious mind. A wise voice replied, it's the diaphragm's playful leap, a reminder to breathe deeply. In a bustling city of dreams, a hiccup paused a hurried soul. Listen, it whispered, to the rhythm of life. In a quiet forest, a hiccup echoed, urging a wanderer to pause and reflect. Each hiccup, a gentle nudge to embrace the unexpected. Hiccups are life's giggles, said the voice. Cherish them. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.